Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook satisfying salad in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch a game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, search for a place with fire like this one right here, go near it, and then press F to interact. So here are all the items you can cook in this fire. Now search for satisfying salad, which is right over here. Click on it. So the ingredients we need are 2 cabbage, 2 apple, 1 bird egg, and 1 potato. So if you have these ingredients in your inventory, just click on the cook button on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. So here are two options. You can choose to auto cook it or choose to cook it manually. For this example, I'm going to choose to auto cook it by clicking here. I'm going to select the amount. I'm just going to cook one for now and then press confirm. So as you can see, I've obtained this salad now. Press confirm and the item is added to your inventory now. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!